over China. Now, Rahul Gandhi has put out a video, the Congress party has put out a video where Rahul Gandhi is seen interacting with some people, where he is talking about how 80% of parts for any television, for TV, is from China. And he says that instead of making in India, we are assembling in India. So he's seen mocking Make in India, and war of words has started heating up already, with the BJP slamming the venue and saying that this is mere hypocrisy by the Congress party.
तो यहाँ पे आपका आप इंडियन क्या है
भैया, इसके अंदर आई चलिए, इसके
सेंटर है वो चाइनीज है और फिर ऊपर आप प्लास्टिक
right. Those are all are settled in China. And apart, if you talk about all the leading brands like LG and Samsung, nobody is manufacturing or getting it because they have not invested in getting a semiconductor factory. Any plan? Samsung used to have their factory. They have sold it to TCL, and TCL is from China. Now what Samsung is doing, Samsung has outsourced their TV segment to Dixon Technology. So Dixon is manufacturing whole TVs and everything.
China managed to do it so well.
If you talk about from starting scratch for industry setting and everything to leverage money to the industrialist. Yeah, आप वहाँ पर जो you have to get it from there. ये जो brightness बढ़ाती है.
Frankly, you are an assembler of
programming वगैरह software.
ये भी वहाँ से आता है.
Absolutely, this is what I'm saying.
Companies आपको मारना चाहे.
Yeah.
तो 2 मिनट में मार.
वो display मोबाइल में भी लगता है, display लैपटॉप में भी लगता है. Even Apple don't have their semiconductor factory. Assemble कर रहे हैं.
जो आप कर रहे हो वही कर रहा है.
Absolutely.
Can you explain me a little bit about?
Yeah. ये USB है ports जो हम लगाते हैं. ये Wi-Fi भी है. If we have to use anything, app download करनी है तो उसके लिए RAMs वगैरह चाहिए.
तो यहाँ पे ये क्या कर रहे हैं? स्टिकर लगा रहे हैं.
Either we have to put a software for any brand. If I am doing up, name it, all the top people.
So 80% of the components of most TVs are made in China. That's a claim that has been made by Rahul Gandhi. Tejshri is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Tejshri, time and again the Congress leader finds himself in the middle of a controversy for praising China. It has happened before when he spoke about the made in China drones as well. Now yet again Rahul Gandhi finding himself in that controversy. What are the details?
Well, yes, absolutely. There was a video on social media that was posted by Rahul Gandhi where he visited a factory, and in fact he also talked about how the manufacturing is happening in China. 80% of televisions are manufactured in China is what Rahul Gandhi said while speaking to the factory owner of that particular factory. Not just that, but in fact he also stated that how India is just assembling the products and not manufacturing it. Remember that this is not for the first time that we are witnessing on what Rahul Gandhi is talking about when it comes to Make in India. Earlier also there have been such kind of instances where Rahul Gandhi mocked Make in India campaign of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And in fact, if we talk about Make in India, you know, especially in the rural areas as well, it's quite deeply rooted now, and people do promote Make in India, and they are well aware with this particular concept. But when it comes to Rahul Gandhi, when it comes to the nation's interest, we have seen the kind of mocking that Rahul Gandhi has been doing, and this is certainly which is not acceptable, because he because he during the conversation has clearly mentioned about how just the assembling happens over here in India, otherwise the other products or in fact the complete manufacturing happens in China. And there comes, you know, Congress party as well, who in fact, you know, also
Rahul Gandhi finds himself in the midst of controversy again for praising China, and the BJP has now hit out at Rahul Gandhi. First, it was on the drones that Rahul Gandhi had spoken up, praising the made in China drones, and now he is talking about Make in China being a bigger success. That's the charge that the BJP has leveled at the Congress leader. The BJP has said that Rahul Gandhi is yet again mocking Make in India.
तो मेरा आपसे ना निवेदन है शहजादे जी, राहुल बाबा जी, आगे से जब आप किसी फैक्ट्री में जाए या आप ये प्रिटेंड का जो गेम खेलते हैं ना कि आज मैं बनूंगा मैकेनिक, आज मैं बनूंगा कारपेंटर, आज मैं इधर जाऊंगा, तो भैया मेड इन कांग्रेस वाली जगहों पे मत जाएं, जाइए जो एक्चुअली में मेड इन इंडिया है असलियत में आम जनता के वहां पे. मुझे लगता है कि कोई आपको आने नहीं देता है ना अपने वहां पर, इसीलिए आप सिर्फ मेड इन कांग्रेस वाली जगहों पे जाते हैं. तो मेड इन इंडिया पे सवाल उठाने से पहले राहुल जी, पहले मेड इन कांग्रेस के से बाहर निकलिए, अपने कार्यकर्ताओं की फैक्ट्रीज पे मत जाइए. फॉक्स स्काई टीवी, मनीष भारद्वाज, ब्रदर ऑफ डॉली शर्मा, कांग्रेस प्रत्याशी.
So previously as well, Rahul Gandhi has spoken about Make in India and has said that it has not been a success. Previously, in fact, Rahul Gandhi had cited some data as well to say that India's manufacturing share in the GDP has fallen from 2014 to now. He says that Make in India has not been a success, whereas China has been working on many things, including batteries, robots, drones. So he's been all praises for China. And Tejashree, this is what the BJP is talking about, saying that in his praise for China, he is undermining Make in India.
Well, absolutely. You know, when it comes to nation's interest, and definitely if you are the leader of opposition, you have all rights to question, you have all rights to protest, you have all rights to raise question and doubts on the policy of the government. But you know, there is very thin line when it comes to nation's interest and when it comes to questioning the government. And in fact, it has happened earlier as well, say it be during Operation Sindoor or say it be during the policies as well. When it comes to questioning the government, you know, most of the Congress leaders, especially Rahul Gandhi, crosses that line, goes beyond that, and in fact, you know, that goes beyond the nation's interest, because we have been seeing the kind of statements and the kind of social media posts that Rahul Gandhi has made. It definitely demeans, in fact, you know, the pride of India, or in fact, with a great pride, Indians now say that yes, we endorse Make in India, we support Make in India, but the kind of statements that he has made definitely, you know, so shows that it is an insult of the concept Make in India, because we have been seeing that how from rural to urban areas this concept has been widely accepted. And as you have rightly mentioned, say it be about the drones as well, we have seen that how at that point of time as well, you know, that how Rahul Gandhi in a way mocked about, you know, the kind of, you know, the kind of the kind of, you know, India was putting forward in their policies as well, say it be on a global front or in fact on the national front as well. But making such a point where where he is comparing India with China, that is certainly not acceptable, and definitely we'll have to see that how Congress particularly responds to it, because BJP has now placing guns on Rahul Gandhi. BJP is questioning that with what capacity now Rahul Gandhi is comparing India and China, mocking the campaign of Make in India. Not just that, but in fact we also heard BJP leader that how she is questioning about the fact that the factory in which Rahul Gandhi went, that belongs to the brother of the Congress leader. So that is what BJP has been questioning, and that is something what Rahul Gandhi or the Congress...
Just a moment, we have Mr. R.P. Singh of the BJP also on the broadcast with us. Thank you for joining us, Mr. R.P. Singh. How do you look at this video? Clearly seems to be a part of a series from the Congress leader, again saying that Make in India is nothing but just assemble in India.
Well, this is not the first time he is doing so. Earlier also, when he went to the Paharganj station also, there were 11 cameramen with him during his Kuli avatar. But that's how Rahul Gandhi is. He thinks that by doing all these tricks, he can win people or he can build up narratives. This all doesn't work in people. Fact is that India is doing good on all accounts as far as Make in India goes. Right from BrahMos to all other manufacturing areas, India has done very well. Yes, there are products which come from China, but it doesn't mean that we are using them only for building up our products. I mean, so our units. Fact is that how Rahul Gandhi is. I mean, that's why he is known for his fakeries and his theatrics.
Okay, all right. Mr. R.P. Singh, thank you for joining us. The BJP has slammed Rahul Gandhi for making these videos, saying not the first time that he has offered such praise for China. Now, there is an interesting twist as well, because the BJP says that this is not Rahul Gandhi criticizing Make in India. This is Rahul actually praising China. In fact, a tweet that has come in as well goes on to say Rahul Gandhi visited a TV factory to praise China, but here's the twist. The factory, Foxsky, is owned by Manish Bharadwaj, a relative of Congress's candidate Dolly Sharma. So Rahul shot a pro-China video at a Congress leader's factory. All in the family, all for China. So the criticism that has come in for Rahul Gandhi is that, firstly, he is heaping praises on China while deriding Make in India. He is mocking Make in India, saying it has had no success. And all of it has actually been shot at the relative's house of a Congress leader. This is the charge that has come in from the BJP. And clearly, this is not the first time that Rahul Gandhi has expressed no trust in his own country's abilities. Rahul Gandhi has, in fact, been the face of the Congress party that has chosen to believe claims of Donald Trump over the words of the army and the government when it comes to Operation Sindoor. As recently as yesterday, Rahul Gandhi had questioned the Prime Minister on the US President's claims that 5 jets were shot down during the military dispute between India and Pakistan. Even as Rahul Gandhi refuses to put his nation first, his colleague Shashi Tharoor is showing him and the party the mirror. Amid a barrage of criticism directed towards the government, Shashi Tharoor has said that it's always nation first for him and that party lines should be forgotten when it comes to making India better.
Which is your first loyalty? To my mind, the nation comes first. Parties are a means of making the nation better. So to my mind, whichever party you belong to, the objective of that party is to create a better India in its own way. Now, parties have every right to disagree about the best way of doing that, the best way of making a better India. You're following the news. A lot of people have been very critical of me because of the stand I've taken supporting our armed forces and our government and what happened recently in our country and on our borders. But I will stand my ground because I believe this is the right thing for the country. And when I speak of India, I speak for all Indians, not just those who may like my party.
We have more breaking updates now coming in the Bihar hospital murder case. Now, the 5